Qingdao Lubo Environmental Protection Technology Company Limited was founded in 2003, located in Qingdao, China. It's a comprehensive high-tech enterprise integrating research, design, production, maintenance, sales, and system operation on the environmental protection equipment and projects. Lubo has 260 employees, mainly engaged in industrial welding fume plant purification, industrial organic waste gas treatment, grinding dust treatment, waste gas recycling, environmental consulting services, etc. Lubo have an excellent R&D technical team, have strong independent research and development capabilities with a number of national patents. All products have CE certificates, ISO system certificates, certification of China Environmental Protection Association. After 17 years development, Lubo have always been committed to improving product quality and performance to offer customer more cost-effective equipment. Thousands of project cases have been done with rich project experiences. Custom design and OEM/ODM are available. Lubo have become one of the top 3 in this field in domestic market. While doing the domestic market, Lubo have exported equipment to over 50 countries for 11 years, including USA, Canada, Mexico, UK, Poland, Serbia, Romania, Chile, Brazil, Argentina, Middle East and Asia countries, etc., and get a very good feedback from overseas customers. Lubo adhere to the core culture of customer first and dare to think and dare to act. Act immediately. Strive for progress and challenge the limits of the work style. We are looking forward to get more cooperation. Contact us freely at any time.